Based on the formula which we have learned, solving the illustrations number 11. Find the index number for the year 16 with the base year 11 by weighted average method. See, already it's told weighted average method from the following data of price and weight of 5 different items. See in the question item A, B, C, D. Weight is already given. Price of 2 years are given. One is for 2011, other is for 16. So base year will be 2011, but the P0 is 2011 and P1 is 2016. So first of all, we'll find out I, that is P1 upon P0 into 100. So 200 by 160 into 100 is 125. 600 upon 400 into 100 is 150. Like this, we have to find I. After finding index number, we got to multiply I with W, means weight, means 40 into 125 is 5000. 25 into 150, 3750. 5 into 140 is 700. 20 into 180 is 3600, and 10 into 150 is 1500. Total of all at 14550. So total sigma IW, index number, sigma IW upon sigma W, 14550 divided by 100, total of weight sigma W. So it's 145.50. Here in this case, in all the sums, if the sums are of 3 marks and 5 marks, you have to compulsory interpret the sums. So they have interpreted the sums. Thus, we can say that there is an increase of 45.5% in price in the year 016 as compared to the year 011. Now solving the sum, illustration number 12. Find Lespier Partian Fisher's index number for the year 016 with the base year 015 from the data about prices and consumption of food items given below. You got to find Lespier Partian Fisher. Item, unit is given, year 2016, 2017, base year is 16, current year is, base year is 15, current year is 16. Okay, so P1, Q1, P0, Q0, it is given as such. Okay, so see in the answer, they have written, they have made the separate columns of P0, then Q0, then P1 and Q1. Be careful with the year so that you can demarcate P1 or P0 or Q1 or Q0. Current year, latest year is always 1, Q1 and P1, and previous year, base year, old year is always for 0, P0, Q0. See, they have multiplied P1, Q0. P1 means 40 into Q0 is 1. 40 into 140, 44 into 12, 528, 50 into 200, 36 into 2, 72, adding it up, 740 total. Same way P0 into Q0, same way P1 into Q1 and P0 into Q1. Getting all the answers, 740 for Pico, 669 for Poco, 629 for Piki, and 571 for Poki. So let's put index number sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Putting the value 740 upon 669 into 100, I got the answer 110.61. Interpreting the answer by separating 100 from the answer, so the increase in price is 10.61%. Same way we'll solve past cheese. Sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. 629 upon 571 into 100, 110.16. Once again subtracting 100 from the answer, we got 10.16% increase in prices. Fisher's index number IF equal to root IL into IP. The answer of Lespier and Pesci, first of all we have to multiplying, then after we have to make the root. Okay, be careful with that. 110.38, interpreting 10.38% rise in prices. Now solving example number 13. Compute Lespier Partian Fisher's index number for the year 016 from the given data below by taking 2015 as the base year. See here, once again unit column is given, and in that particular unit column some numbers are also given. Price, two prices are given, 15 and 16, so P0 P1. Quantity same, Q0 Q1, but see over here 20 kg price is given. It was in the year 2015 it was 300 and 16 it was 440. We have to find per unit. Okay, so whichever number is greater, either of price or of quantity, we have to divide it with the number given in the unit column. So 20 kg price was in the year 015, the price was 300. So 300 upon 20, you can look down, that is 15. 440 upon 20 is 22. Keep the quantity same. In second number, it is quintal is given and the quantity in that quantity kilogram is given. So 1 quintal equal to 100 kilograms. 1 quintal equal to 100 kilograms means I can say 100 kilogram price is given. So once again I can see the price amount is very much bigger. So I will divide the amount of price by 100 so that I can get the amount in quintals. 500 upon 100 and 700 upon 100 is 5 and 7 kilogram. I will keep the same. Next, item C, kilogram is given and over the gram is given. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, as you all know. Okay, so once again I will divide now. I will divide the quantity with 1000. So 1200 upon 1000, 2000 upon 1000 and keep the price as same. Items D, meter. In the quantity, meter is only given, no unit is in the unit, no number is given, so no need to divide. Item E, liter, over the liter is given. Once again, no need of any divisions. Number item F, dozen, and over the price is given. Again, students, be careful. See, you can see all the amounts which are given is not a very huge amount or very small amounts. On equal, you can say same. But while dividing now, see here dozen and piece. 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Okay. So we have to be careful that the answer which we will get after dividing the number with 12, the numbers should not come in continuous point. Hope so you are understanding. See, 30 upon 12 if we do, we'll get 2.5. 36 upon 12 we will do, then we are getting 3. So exact number you can see you are getting. 8 divided by 12 if you are doing that, I think so you will be getting 0.6667, something like that. 10 upon 12 if you are doing that, once again the point will be continuous. So better be careful with that while changing the amounts. After changing the amounts, once again pico poco, peaky pokey only you got to solve. Got to carefully multiply, then find less PS, pico poco into 100, passes, peaky pokey into 100, fishes, multiply both the answer and then find the square root, you will get the answer. Yes, one more thing, you have to compulsory interpret it. Okay. Coming to illustration number 14, ideal index number means Fisher index number. Once again, 3 items are given. Base year means P0, Q0, current year means P1, Q1. Simply you got to make the table, pico poco, picky pokey, and put in the particular form. See, ideal index number they have asked, so you have to find Fisher. So the other formula for Fisher, hope so you remembered yet, under root pico upon poco into under root picky into pokey. Root में डालने के बाद whatever the answers are coming, after solving the root only see. In the root it is 1.5369. They have solved the root, then they got the answer 1.2397. After point you got to put 4 numbers, then multiply by 100. The answer is 123.97. Once again they have interpreted the answer, which is very compulsory. Coming to example number 15. Okay, find Fisher index number for the year 015 by taking the year 014 as the base year from the data given below about consumption and total expenditure. See students, total expenditure, it means price into quantity. Total expenditure means price into quantity. Means for base year P0, Q0 is already given. For current year, total expenditure means P1, Q1 is already given. Consumption matlab Q, quantity. So for base year, Q0 is given and P0, Q0 is given. For current year, Q1 is given and P1, Q1 is given. We need P0 also, we need P1 also. So see what they have done. For finding P0 and P1, you got to divide the amount of total expenditure, means 2500 divided by 50. 2500 is P0, Q0. 50 is Q0. P0, Q0 upon Q0. You will get P0. See, they have got the answer 50. Like this, where you can find P0 and P1. Then again the same thing, P0, Pico Poco and Picky Poki you got to find and then find the answers. Okay. Coming to example number 16. The health department has implemented a certain policy for the industrial units in the year 03 to control the possibility of cancer due to the chemical process which is hazardous to the health of the workers employed in the industrial units of a certain industrial area who are residing in the same area. To evaluate this policy, a survey was conducted about deaths due to cancer of person in the different age groups. The following data obtained for the years 03 and 08 find the index number of death due to cancer using weighted average method by taking the population of the industrial area in the year 03 as the weight. Means population you got to take as a weight. So deaths means 03 is P0 and 08 is P1. See, P0, P1, weight is already given. First of all, find I, P1 by P0 and 200, then multiply I by W. We'll get the column for IW. Add it up, you will get sigma IW, formula sigma IW upon sigma W. Got the answer 70.17. So here it is a decrease because the answer is less than 100. So decrease by 29.23%. Thank you.